Hi friends, today I am introducing a very normal and easy to use thing. It is very interesting and comfortable to use with your device. Yes, I am indicating that is about the mouse. Yes, computer mouse. It is a very simple computer mouse that I am going to introduce to my YouTuber friends. Now I don't know what is inside the packet, so I am bringing the packet from Amazon company. Yes, the online company Amazon.in here. .in for the indication of India, and see the arrow A to Z. As it is showing, you can get A to Z items from Amazon, and it is India's largest online store. Yes, you may say it is the world's largest online store. Yes, Amazon is spreading all over the world, and it is so. Then I am going back here. Here the back side. Say it is to SS Digital Solution. Yes, village post and all here. You can see all of them. The number as peripherals as it is done generally in all the cases. All the cases are same as it is showing. All the cases are same as before, and I have shown them previously again and again. So now I am cutting the packet with my scissor. Yes, I am going to cut it. Yes, 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 yes. See the backwards and the part, the black part, to prevent light, and I am scissoring it again. See, it is quite, yes, and you have to be careful about it as you want to keep the thing intact inside it. Yes, the packet is open already, and now I am bringing the pad. See the architecture like pad. Yes, it is a mouse pad, normal mouse pad, and the texture you can see various type of texture as water soaking on some colors, and it is very soft and comfortable. And the back side, and see how soft it is, and the back grip is very firm on the desk. See it is, and now I am showing its use on my computer. Yes, see the laser beam of the mouse, you can see this, and I am putting the mouse pad here. I am keeping it, then my mouse on it. See, it has firmly rooted, but you can move it very smoothly. See the soft side, a soft upper side, and I am moving around it. See, it is very soft here, and it is my computer. The mouse is showing. Yes, the mouse pointer is going here and there, you can see it. And so I am going to the yes, my start button here, then start button to my computer. Yes, computer. See, then crocodile disk T, where to enter again, then goldfish. Yes, here, yes, in go, and bye bye.